Hello, I'm Heather Moore with your Business Spotlight. We are here with Don Cloud from Cloud Financial. Don, many individuals still have 2008 fresh on their minds and remember that it took about 6.5 years to get their money back. For those looking to retire soon and frankly can't handle another collapse, what should they focus on?
Heather, you're right. For someone looking to retire in the next 5 to 10 years, another 2008 collapse could be absolutely devastating. The most important thing with any financial plan for someone at or near retirement is building a margin of safety into their financial plan.
What exactly does that mean?
Well, what that means is that their financial plan should have a strategy in place to exit the market if there's another catastrophic collapse like 2008. We want to take advantage of the good volatility and not be harmed by the bad.
Is there actually a strategy to achieve this?
Absolutely. The best way to preserve capital, especially through market downturns, is through low risk, low volatility asset managers that can attain equity-like rates of return without the general risk associated with the stock market. The overarching appeal is that the manager's ability to recognize trends and move investors out of harm's way before the real damage can be done.
Thanks, Don.
If you'd like to have your business featured, contact us using the information on your screen.